Hi, it's David from Dataprobe, and I want to show you the sequencing feature of the iBoot-PDU. The sequencing capabilities of the iBoot-PDU allow you to string a series of actions together along with delays and looping functions to create a very powerful response to either manual or automatic conditions. So I've got a couple of sequences set up here. Let me show you how to build your own. This is from the sequencing menu of the main menu. You can just see the ones that we've already got established and click on Add Sequence to get a new one going. I'll just give it a name and click Save to build a space for which we can build the sequence. So right now you can see a new sequence. It starts off disabled, so we can edit it. Again, like most of our capabilities, you need to go from enabled to disabled to edit the function. So we'll add a step. Here you can see the available steps. There's a delay function, outlet control, looping capability, log entry capability, email capability, and group actions as well. So to begin, we'll just start with adding a outlet control. You can see that the local unit and any remote units you have configured in the PDU are available. We'll set the outlet that we want to operate, and then the function that is required. Then we can add a delay. Let's add a delay of 2 seconds. Then we can send an email. Did I not click on it? There we go. With the email capability, you can put in the address to send to. The subject. And the body. It's easier if you just click on the edit function right here. You can see the original 2 fields as well as and click Save to lock it all in. If you need to reorder the functions, you can easily drag and drop and move things around. When you're all done, click Enabled and then Save to lock it all in. Okay, so I'm going to take you back to the dashboard and show you that you can manually operate the sequences. Here's one called Emergency Shutdown. This is a good one to build if you go in overvoltage or brownout or current gets too high or whatever, and you need to shut everything down. You can run this sequence, and everything on the local unit in this case is shut off. Another interesting sequence that I built here for you is a staggered startup. So I will now run this because everything's turned off. And you can see we'll turn on the router. I built in a short delay. Then after, you can obviously, long enough for the router to get up and running, turn on the firewall, turn on the SQL server, and finally turn on the server with 2 dual redundant power supplies. So A and B go on as a group. And then it will send me an email to tell me that it's all done. So it gives you kind of a good idea of how to use the sequencing capabilities. In the automation, I'll take one of the analog. I'll just show you that in some of these here. Let's see. These are doing all the basic settings, but you can add, just here. We'll go and click to use a sequence. We'll disable it again. Click on Advanced Settings, and now all my sequences are here for both the action when it's an alarm and the action to run on clear. I'm not going to save that, but it gives you an idea of how to use the sequences in the automation capabilities. If you have any questions about how to make the best use of it, please give our tech support team a call or an email. We're always here to help. Thank you.